A very good morning. This is your Snazis party from the team of Mr. Nice. So in this video I'll be discussing about the second phase, third phase and fourth phase of the study which we have already paused in the previous video, which I think that you have definitely watched that video, isn't it? Yeah. Well, so second phase of the nation, or the second phase of the movement which has taken place, it will be covered up in this video itself. So let me explain the second phase of the movement, what happened in the second phase of the movement. So first is, the next phase started from the Vijayawada session of the Congress held in March 21. So first important point, it started from the south. Okay, the second phase started from the country's southernmost part. Okay, so from the southernmost part, the next phase has begun, in which year the Congress held a meeting or the session in March 1921. Then after, Tilak Swaraj fund was oversubscribed and 1 crore rupees collected. A very important aspect, means the foundation which has been created by Tilak. Okay, the funds which has been created by Tilak Swaraj has reached to 1 crore for what? For generation of the taxes, for generation of the livelihood, for the generation of the movement which has been taking place in the 1921. Okay, this also plays a very important role. Then after, 50 lakhs members were enrolled in the party. Okay, 50 lakhs has been included or enrolled themselves into the party, through which they needs to be improved, they needs to be governed, they needs to get the freedom of the country, freedom from the dictators who have been detecting us, who have been ruling us, who have been suppressing our talents, we can say, in the final cut manner, in the simple manner. Okay, then after, the chakras were widely populated and khadis uh, became the dress of the movement. Okay, then we are giving more preference to what? We are giving more preference to the hand looming technology at the time. So that's the reason why most of the persons who are populated, who are widely spreader, get their hand looming technology, get their hand looming spreading cloths in different movements, in the movements which has been included, means it has given to preference, it has given more preference to whom? The nation's building cloth, means whatever the cloth which has been built in the nation itself, they should be using that. So that's the main motto of the movement which has been conducted, which has been done by the father of the nation, we can simply say. Then after, let me move to the third page of the movement. Okay, a challenging speech was made by Muhammad Ali in July 2021, declaring it's a religious unlaw and the Muslims to continue in the British Army and asking them to resign. Okay, so whatever the year itself, very important, I should not be saying the detailed explanation about that, but you should have to understand how the religious plays a very important role, a very important speech about the joining in British Army and to resigning them from the post in which they are inculcating. The colonial government immediately arrested Muhammad Ali. Why? Because whenever the workforce will decrease in the British officers party, we can say, then definitely the power of working will also decrease, and definitely it will lead to generation of their failure. You should have to understand that too. So that's the reason why they have they have arrested Muhammad Ali. Then after, on his visit to Mumbai, the Princess of Wales were greeted with citywide strikes and demonstration. Okay, so the princess who has been arrived in the Mumbai, so they have started arresting them, they have started striking whole of the world, whole of the country, you can say that. So let me move for the fourth phase of the movement which has taken place. So what is here in the fourth phase of the generation? So in the fourth phase, both the non-cooperation and the government appeared in the confrontation mode. Okay, confrontation mode. Then after, Congress became influence among very large number of peoples, and the voluntary corrupt became almost a parallel police force. Then after, the Congress had sanitized its provisional committee to start civil disobedience movement whenever it was felt necessary. So that's the main 3 points of the fourth phase. Whenever they have arrived at the fourth phase of the strike of the movement, they have appeared different aspects, they have appeared different volunteership from the different funding groups, from the different societies, through which the movement will get more stronger. But we should have to know the Congress has sentenced their provisional committee to start civil disobedience movement. Okay, it also finally leads to the starting of civil disobedience movement, which is even been written in the fourth phase of the nations movement. Okay, so I think that you have understood the different phases, second, third, and fourth. Thank you.